Hi guys, so today let me take you through a cookie recipe that requires you to use cups. So if you don't have a weighing scale, don't worry. If you have cups, you can easily bake. So let's get right into it. I had already measured my margarine here. So let's measure the flour. I'll write down the recipe in in the I'll write down the recipe, so not to worry. So we sieve the flour. As I stated earlier, you use different bowls. For example, I'm using this one to measure the dry ingredients. Then I have a quarter cup of corn flour. This is corn flour, guys, or cornstarch. It's just a quarter cup. A quarter cup. Then sugar. It requires just 1 cup. 1 cup of sugar. So guys, the recipe requires that you beat your butter until it's soft. So that's what I'm doing. This is for those people who don't have a hand mixer or any baking machine. I told you you can use a mwiko. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just softening the butter. So I'll just do this for a few minutes. While compared to you using a hand mixer, but we'll get there. So here we are. Our butter is almost where we want it to be like. Then I will introduce the sugar and beat this until it's light and fluffy. We want it to be light and fluffy. So a few minutes later, and this is what we have. It's fluffy. So we're going to add in our dry ingredients and mix all that up. So after mixing it, this is what we have. We're going to roll this into balls and then dip it into sugar, and then we bake. So just roll like that into a bowl, like that, and then we dip it into sugar and then put it here. Ready? This is how we have assembled them on the baking tray. So we're supposed to use a fork, but in case you don't have a fork, you can simply use this toothpick, like that, like that, like that. So this is the result after baking. This is what we have got from baking the cookies. This is how they turned out. So thank you for keeping me company throughout this whole baking process. See you on the next one. Bye.